वेल नॅशनल गेम्साचो बोवाळ सध्या गोंयांत चालू आसा आनी आमी हांगासर बेणावले ग्रावंडाचेर आसा आमच्या बरोबर गोंयची टीम फुटबॉल टीमचे काही मेंबर्स आमी तांच्याच कडेन उलोवया आनी पळोवया की तयारी कशी आसा आनी आर वी हिटींग फॉर द ग्लोरी ऑर आर वी हिटींग फॉर गोल्ड दॅट इज वॉट आय वॉन्टेड. पयलीं तुमची नांवां म्हाका सांगा. तुमचे क्लेमेंट
जोशुआ
मेवन
लिवन.
ओके जोशुआ, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू यू बिकॉज यू आर द टॉलेस्ट. म्हाका सांग तयारी कशी आसा बिकॉज यू नो नाव नॅशनल गेम्स आर ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड ऑफिशियली जावपाची आसा बट तुजे फुटबॉलाचो कॅम्पेन कसो जातलो?
We've trained well. We train so that we win. So all we think about is to go till the highest we can go, and we are going for glory.
ओके प्रिपरेशन म्हणटा पळय तेन्ना प्रिपरेशन कशें आसा तुमची प्रॅक्टीस सेशन्स कशें आसा रेस्ट कसो आसा तुमकां बाकीचे यू नो फिटनेस कशी आसा हे फाटले एक म्हयनो कसो चालू आसा?
आमगे सद्या लायक प्रॅक्टीस बी बरी चलता. मॉर्निंग अर्ली मॉर्निंग कोताय आमी 8 o'clock. मागीर रेस्ट वयताय सगळें ब्रेकफास्ट बी करून रेस्ट घेताय. मागीर तेच्या फाटल्यान लायक अशें करून लंच आसता लंच जावन सगळें आमगे मागीर रेस्ट घेताय आनी मागीर इवनिंग सेशन आसता आमकां लायक जीम मागीर एजिलिटी वर्क तेच करून आसता. सो मागीर तेच्या फाटल्यान डिनर मागीर जालें रेस्ट.
ओके फुटबॉल म्हटलो काय लोकांक सगळ्यांक FC गोवा पयलीं दिसता मागीर ताच्या नंतर आमचे सगळे वेगवेगळे क्लब्स दॅट इज द कायंड ऑफ हाय प्रोफायल दॅट वी हॅव गॉट. बरेचदा जेन्ना FC गोवा गोंयांत खेळटा तेन्ना यू नो होम ग्रावंडाचो सपोर्ट आसता. ह्या फुटबॉल गेमीक तुमकां होम ग्रावंडाचो सपोर्ट कितको आसतलो अशें तुमकां दिसता?
Since it's played in Goa, we expect for the fans to come in big numbers and so that they can support us and we can give our best on the ground.
ओके बरें टीम जेलिंग जे म्हणटा पळय आमी बरेचदा की सगळे प्लेयर्स वेगवेगळ्या हितूंतल्यान येता आनी जेल अप जाता. ऑब्वियसली यू प्ले अ ब्युटिफूल गेम कॉल्ड फुटबॉल. ह्या फाटले एक म्हयनो तुमी कशें पळयता यू नो गेटींग अलॉंग विथ यू नो युअर प्लेयर्स?
सगळे प्लेयर बरे एकमेकाक सपोर्ट करून खेळटाय आनी सगळे टीम एकामेका कडेन उलयताय आनी नॅशनल गेम्सीक येता ते गेमीक बरे खेळटले म्हणून सगळे होप दवरताय.
ओके जोशुआ, with respect to GFA, how has been the support from Goa Football Association?
The facilities that we've got, it's good. We are treated as professionals, and that is what we need. And this kind of support if we have, then definitely football will grow in Goa.
And what is the USP that people should be looking out for especially men's team of Goa football?
We can do well. We can really do well if everything is done right from grassroots till now. Then we'll do well.
Any research that you have done, you obviously your coach or maybe your team members, technical staff that has done with respect to other states team?
Yeah, we discuss about the teams we are going to play. So we need to be technically sound so that we don't just enter the field and don't know what's happening. So we keep some track of other team, but we play our game.
Okay.
We play the way we train so that we are comfortable with the ball.
I think fantastic boys. I think you know तुमचे आत्ता प्रॅक्टिस सेशन सोंपला. युअर ड्रीम इज यू नो गेटिंग ड्रेस्ड अप बट इतक्या हितूर म्हाका वेळ काडून तुमी उलयले त्या खातीर देव बरें करूं. अँड ऑल द बेस्ट. ऑब्वियसली जशें हांव प्रत्येक प्रोग्रामान सांगता की नॅशनल गेम्स गोंयांत जाता जाल्यार प्लीज होम ग्रावंडाचो सपोर्ट ऑफ व्हेरी व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट बिकॉज जशें क्रिकेटान 12th मॅन इज ऑलवेज द ऑडियन्स द स्पेक्टेटर्स. आय बिलीव इन फुटबॉल ऑल्सो देर इज. सो जसो तुमी बाकीच्या स्पोर्ट्साक सपोर्ट करता तसो आवर्जून ह्या सपोर्ट करा टीम गोवा खातीर हू इज पार्टिसिपेटींग इन बोथ मॅन्स एज वेल एज वुमन. सो प्लीज आवर्जून येयात आणि यू नो सपोर्ट करात. त्या खातीर देव बरें करूं तुमी वेळात वेळ काडलो. प्लेजर इट वॉज. थँक्यू. Well, the boys are sweating out on the grounds. So is the technical staff and other support system. माझ्या बरोबर आसा GFA चे वायस प्रेसिडेंट आंतोनी पांगो आणि तसेच डेरिक परेरा जे कोच आसा ऑफ द गोवा टीम. How has been the preparation? Because I've been here since 8:30. I've seen the boys playing really well. How impressed are you before the start of the national games?
Yeah, the preparations are going on well. There was not much time to prepare because we thought that the same Santosh Trophy team would play in the national games as well. But then AIFF came up with this third division I League, which is going to be held very soon, and clubs had to withdraw their players. So we have replaced around 9 to 10 players. And we got in some young players, and they are doing well. They are putting in all the efforts on the pitch, and today was a very good match for us to analyze individual performance as well as the team performance, and in the next few days I think we should be ready for the national games.
Anthony Pangabab, म्हाका एक सांगा की how prepped is GFA in supporting the players for this campaign? अशें तांच्यांनी म्हटलें की the same team would have been participating, but ते जालें ना. How confident are you, and more important, how has been the support system from GFA?
नाव सांगपाचें म्हणल्यार आमचे ऑल इंडियाचे प्लेन सारखे ना. पयले सुवातेर नॅशनल गेम्स आनी आय लीग एक बारा जावपा जायना. ताका गॅप आसपा जाय, आनी तेन्ना एक स्टेट टीम बरी प्रिपेअर्ड करपा जाता. आतां आमच्या कोचान जायतो तो कोर्स घेतला, पूण संतोश ट्रॉफी जाली रोखडी आमची नॅशनल गेम्स. म्हणटा आतां कितें जालें, आय लीग आहा आमकां प्लेयर सोडचे पडले. म्हणटा आतां कोचा सांगला ते भशेन आमकां 10 जण प्लेयर न्यू घेवचे पडले, आनी बरे यंग टॅलंट आमी घेतल्या, कित्याक हे आमच्या फ्युचराचे पिलर जावन आहा गोंयचे. म्हणटच म्हाका दिसता आमचे कोच बरें प्रिपरेशन करतले, हितून नो डावट.
तुमकां GFAची आतां ही नवी कमिटी जाल्ल्याक 1 वर्स जावपाक पावतले. 30 तारखेक आय थिंक 1 year कंप्लीट करता. तुमी वायस प्रेसिडेंट आसा GFAचे, आनी ह्या एका कोइन्सिडेंटली अशें जालां की नॅशनल गेमीक तुमी यंगर टॅलंट घालता. दॅट हॅज बीन द फोकस. जर फुटबॉलान जर इन्वेस्ट करतले जाल्यार यंग टॅलंटान इन्वेस्ट करपाक जाय. तुमचो एका वर्साचो प्रवास कसो आसा?
आतां सद्याक आमी अंडर-17 गर्ल्स एक चॅम्पियनशीप आमी जिखले. इज ए व्हेरी गुड रिजल्ट फॉर GFA. आतां आमी संतोष ट्रॉफीकूय क्वॉलिफाय जाल्ली आसा. आतां नॅशनल गेमीक आमी बरें प्रिपरेशन चालू आसा, आनी म्हाका दिसता आमी आमचो पयलो एम जावन आसा सेमी फायनलाक मूव जावपाचो.
Okay. Derek Bob, a lot of news has been spreading with respect to खंयच्या एसोसिएशनान खंयच्या स्पोर्ट डिसिप्लिनान भायले प्लेयर्स आयले म्हणून, गोंयच्या भायले प्लेयर्स आयलो. I want to ask you upfront, is there any imported player in playing in Goa team?
No, I think when I had my first meeting with the members of GFA, they made it very clear that it will be only Goan players, and I was happy about it because we want to promote our talented players, and we want to give more opportunities, to develop our players. So that's one of the thing that we have got some young players like Anthony Pango said that they are our future. So the more exposure we give, the better they will become in the future. But right now we have to get results as well. So we are working on it, and they are all local players.
Okay, that's great. But again, local player definitely any prospects are what a younger team asa, it's a kind of an experiment. What are the prospects?
Prospects are good. For me, I will always go on the pitch with the intention to win, to give our best, and results follow. So this is what I have been talking to the players as well. And in training, they have shown very good attitude. Right from day one, before our Santosh Trophy, my Santosh Trophy assignment as well, the players have shown very good attitude, and they have been working very hard. There were issues here and there, like ground condition because of rain. We could not get proper ground, but still we fought. We kept on working hard, and I'm sure in this competition as well, we will do well.
Okay. Again, prospects of Goa team.
म्हाका दिसता गोवाचो टीम बरो फ्युचर आसा. आनी दुसरे सुवातेर आमकां चड खुशालकाय भोगता, कित्याक आफ्टर 10 वर्सां आमी PGM स्टेडियम खेळोंकूच ना गोंयची टीम. म्हणल्यार म्हाका दिसता एक आमकां खुशालकायची, आमकां परत ग्रावंड हो मेवलो आफ्टर 10 years. म्हणटच लोकांनी सगळ्यांनी येवन आमकां गोंयचे टीमीक सपोर्ट करचो, आनी म्हाका खात्री आसा लोक सगळे येवन सपोर्ट करतले.
जसो ISLाक सपोर्ट सिस्टम आसता तसो तुमकां दिसता ह्या एका नॅशनल गेम्साच्या कॅम्पेनाक गोंयच्या एका कॅम्पेनाक आसतले
लोक आसतलो शुअर, आनी गोंयच्या टीमीक लोक सपोर्ट करतलो.
Okay, Anthony Bob, Derek Bob, thank you very much. Pleasure it was to have a conversation on the ground, on the turf, and obviously the players have been sweating out really, to the extreme. And I hope we get to that campaign of getting, gold this time. So pleasure it was. Thank you very much. All the best wishes from me and my team for this campaign of National Games. Pleasure.
Thank you.
Cheers.